Welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you, ever feel like no matter how hard you try, you can't get motivated? You're not lazy. You're not broken. But there's a good chance you're stuck in one of these 6 toxic habits. And today I'll show you how to fix all of them in the next 24 hours. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, obsessively scrolling for inspiration but ending up overwhelmed. Science says, endless scrolling floods your brain with dopamine spikes, leaving you too drained to take action. The fix? The 5-minute rule? 5 minutes to research, then 25 minutes to act. This trains your brain to prioritize doing over consuming. Let's talk about habit 2, procrastination, the classic "I'll do it later" lie. We all have done it. In actual fact, procrastination isn't laziness. It's fear of failure, fear of success, fear of what people will think. So we avoid, we delay, we tell ourselves we'll do it tomorrow. And you know what? That tomorrow thinking. It's a trap. The fix? First, you've got to call yourself out. Recognize when you're procrastinating. Once you're aware of it, you can start to change it. And here's my favorite trick, the 2-minute fight. Tell yourself, I'll just do 2 minutes of the task. Once you start, your brain switches from resistance to momentum. Tomorrow, use this trick on your most dreaded task. You'll shock yourself by finishing it. Habit number 3, waiting for the perfect conditions. I'll start when I feel ready. Spoiler, you never will. Perfectionism is just fear in disguise. The fix? Start ugly. Write 1 terrible sentence. Do 1 terrible workout. Imperfect action beats perfect planning every time. By tomorrow, you'll realize momentum creates motivation. Habit 4, overloading your to-do list. Writing a to-do list that's a novel, overloading equals overwhelm. Neuroscientists say your brain shuts down after 3 to 5 big tasks. The fix? The rule of 3. You can break down your tasks into smaller, more manageable steps first. Something you know you can accomplish. Tonight, write down only 3 to 5 priorities for tomorrow. Everything else? Delete, delegate, or dump it into a parking lot list. Watch your focus skyrocket. Habit 5, negative self-talk. It's about the voice inside your head. You know the one I'm talking about. The one that tells you you're not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy enough. That voice, my friends, is a dream killer. It's the negative self-talk that can sabotage your motivation before you even get started. Think about it. If you're constantly bombarded with thoughts like, I can't do this, or I'm going to fail, how likely are you to actually try? Not very, because here's the thing, right? Our brains believe what we tell them and what you keep repeating. That voice in your head saying, I'm not good enough, I'll fail, or why bother? Negative self-talk isn't just mean. It reprograms your brain to expect failure. So let's fix this. Here's the truth. Affirmations only work if you feel them, not just say them. Most people just repeat phrases like robots and wonder why nothing changes. What we need are emotionally charged affirmations. For example, if you keep saying, I'm a failure, turn the script around, you standing tall, fist pumping, saying out loud, I'm figuring this out. I know how to do this. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals. And finally, repeat them consistently. Start speaking kindly to yourself. Start believing in your own power. So phrase your affirmations as if they are already true. Instead of saying, I will be successful, say, I am successful. Remember, the journey to self-improvement begins with a single positive thought. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it grow. Habit 6, ignoring your body. Treating your body like a junk drawer. No sleep, junk food, and 0 movement equals to 0 energy. Because what you put into your body directly affects how you feel, how you think, and yes, how motivated you are. The right foods can boost your mood and energy levels. If you're constantly filling up on processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, it's no wonder you're feeling sluggish and uninspired. These foods can drain your energy and dampen your spirits. The fix? The 3-factor body reset: sunlight, movement, and nutrition. Do these 3 things in the next 24 hours and see how you feel. Sunlight before screens. Within 30 minutes of waking, spend 10 minutes outside, no phone. Sunlight reset cortisol rhythms so your energy lasts all day. 10 minutes of movement. You can go for a jog, a walk, do yoga, or any sort of physical activity. Then get in 2 minutes posture break every 2 hours. Stand up, stretch your arm overhead, and take 3 deep breaths. This reverses the stress slump and boosts oxygen to your brain. Protein-powered breakfast. If you're constantly filling up on processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, it's no wonder you're feeling sluggish and uninspired. One of the biggest culprits when it comes to sabotaging our motivation is sugar. It can be tempting, but it's not worth the crash that follows. These foods can drain your energy and dampen your spirits, so ditch the cereal. Eat 20 grams of protein for breakfast, eggs, Greek yogurt, etc. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, so your brain doesn't crash by noon. Listen, these aren't perfect health rules. They're emergency resets to fuel your motivation today. 6 habits sabotaging you, and 6 fixes to reclaim your motivation in 24 hours. Pick one to start with today, and comment below which one you're tackling first. Here's the thing about motivation. It's not something you wait for. The time to start is now. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. You've got this. Remember, the power to change is in your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll see you in the next video.